Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Dr. Asif and I will be teaching the course of Transportation and Logistics Management. This course is one of the important courses in the area of supply chain management. And my objective in this course would be to, first of all, give you an overview about this course, that what is this course all about, and in the total business strategy, how would this course be actually making a difference. And when I say it will make a difference, it means that it has some important area or important place, especially in the area of supply chain management. So in this course, we will be differentiating, first of all, what would be the difference between the logistics or the work of logistics and supply chain management. The brief overview of this course would actually be, I can actually tell you about the concept which actually became more highlighted four decades ago. 4 decades ago, supply chain or logistics was actually considered to be something which is just related to transportation and warehouses. And from after 4 decades, passing 4 decades, now it has come from the docks, from those warehouses and docks, towards the boardroom of the leading organizations. Now, what was the importance, or why did it happen? Let me share with you some of the statistics. If you see, there is a comparative GDP and logistic expenditures. The figures are actually taken from one of the journals, which is a Journal of International Marketing. And it is the start of that area, that paradigm which I am talking about, 1998. If you see the total GDP or gross domestic product of different regions, आपके पास different regions हैं, North America, Europe, Pacific and others. The overall GDP is given, and the logistics expenditures which has actually incurred in the form of transportation, warehousing and inventory, etc., etc. And if you see the total percentage of logistics in the overall GDP, it's quite high. And at the last row, if you see the total, it's like 11.7% of the total GDP. So it's significant. You cannot ignore it, or you cannot just say it can go unmanaged. So logistics, it's actually itself a very important part. Now, when I say logistics, so what would we be actually going through? We will be looking at the key decision areas of logistics. Key decision areas of logistics are, what we will talk about in this course are warehouses, transportation, packaging, material handling, and sometimes logistics information system. It has become one of the dynamics right now that we need to have some LIS, the logistic information system, for integrating the information from different areas. Warehousing, I would say we need to actually include a location at this place, because if you manage, academically we say that if you manage your logistics properly, then there is no need of warehouses. But still, it is one of the important parts. And traditionally, logistics actually encompasses the two areas, which were transportation and warehouses. But right now, we would be working through these important areas, key decision areas, and the decision making of logistics management would be revolving around this. Yes, transportation and warehouse is part of it, but we would be looking at the logistic information system, the material handling approach, as well as packaging and transportation as well. So these would be the areas which we would be looking at.